Hey, my name is Lisa, and today we will talk about what you should learn if you want to become a self-taught industrial designer. So first of all, answering the question, is it even possible to become a self-taught industrial designer? My answer is yes, but you have to invest a lot of time and effort if you really want to become one. First things first, you need your studying plan. What can help here is universities' industrial design curriculums. You should Google for different curriculums, make a list of subjects that are usually studied in different universities, and this actually will become your studying plan. Then look for the information regarding each class and topic and take notes. So basically you imitate the process of studying, but you do it yourself in any time that is convenient for you, and you basically don't have to pass any exams, which is great. The curriculums may slightly differ depending on the university, but here is some stuff you need to learn anyways. In the theory block, you should start with art and design history, paying the maximum attention to Industrial Revolution and the origins of design. Then read about design methods, design philosophy, and ergonomics, so you have the basic understanding of how you should think when designing a product. Then, when you understand the main principles of ergonomics, study technical drawing for industrial design. You don't have to go too deep into engineering, but you have to have the basic understanding of how your parts are connected to each other and how they all go into one assembly. At this stage, you don't have to study software, just concentrate on design methods and how you think, because software is just the way to visualize your ideas. It will not design a product for you. Start sketching random product ideas and pay attention to what you have already learned in the theory block. Start designing simple products engineering-wise, like organizers, chairs, tables, etc. Then calculate the dimensions based on the ergonomics for this product and do the technical drawings. Also, at this point, read about the color theory and the semantics that stands behind each color and apply this knowledge into your sketches. Make sure that you understand what each color means. For example, red symbolizes danger, so it's usually used to mark some particular parts of the product, so a user pays the maximum attention to those parts. Another block of disciplines that you should study is dedicated to material characteristics, manufacturing methods, and prototyping. Materials and manufacturing methods are more like theory-based things, so you should read about it, while prototyping is a practical skill. I'll have a separate video about what materials you can use to build prototypes yourself at home. Then, when you feel that designing simple products becomes much easier for you, you can then move to more complex products. And at the same time, start learning software. At uni, we initially started with 2D software and then moved to 3D programs, but you can definitely decide yourself what to start with. But just make sure that in the end you know how to use CAD software like SolidWorks, for example, and surface modeling tools like Blender, which is free by the way, and 3ds Max to build more complicated and smooth shapes. Also, you will need to use Adobe Illustrator to put together your portfolio and possibly mood boards for your clients, and also Photoshop to make some touches on your renderings and other photos. Remember that learning software takes time. At university, we spend a semester or two learning every single program that we use. So don't hurry up, give yourself some time and make sure you can really use the program until you move to the next one. Luckily, there are tons of videos on YouTube about how to use every single tool in any software that you can possibly imagine, so you don't have to waste your time to figure out yourself how it all works. Another tip would be using social media for daily motivation and inspiration. So I would suggest you start every single day with at least 10 minutes of scrolling different design concepts on Pinterest or Instagram. So with the time, you understand quite easily what is good design and what is bad one, as well as you see the thinking process that stands behind each product. As an additional set of skills, I would recommend you practicing your presentation and communication skills. So at university, we used to do a full presentation of each project that we worked on, and then we presented it in front of all the other students, which was very useful because it really helped us understand how to confidently present your ideas. And yes, it will be useful when you then will do the same thing in front of your colleagues or clients. So I would recommend learning a new language. Obviously, if you are watching this video, you probably speak English, but if you speak any other languages, it will be very useful for you, especially if you are willing to work at an international company or as a freelancer. It will just give you much more opportunities. So these were the main points I wanted to touch on in this video. Go and check out different universities' curriculums to find out more about this field. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.